Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have some friend mail. Lovely subscriber sent me this amazing box, and honestly it couldn't have arrived at a better time. I had such a long horrible day yesterday. So a quick backstory before we dig into the goodies. So my husband John, I've mentioned before, has some health stuff going on. He has diverticulitis, and right now he is having a pretty bad, intense gout flare-up. And gout's a form of arthritis. Typically people get it in their big toes. His typically attacks in the middle of his foot, or all over the foot in general. But gout can actually attack any part of, or any joint in your body. So he had to go to his doctor, and he can't walk. So Connor and I had to go with him, of course, and we spent 4.5 hours at the doctor. Typically, that hours are long anyways, and the wait time and all that, so, you know, that's to be expected, okay? So we get through, finally see the doctor, which, mind you, was so late also that we didn't get to pick up Jonathan's medications. Yes. Because Walgreens closes at 7, the pharmacy. Then we come out, you know, and like I stated, John's on crutches. He cannot walk. And there is this man standing at our car, and his truck is, you know, we are parallel parked, imagine this, and his truck is the opposite way. And immediately, we're like, what in the world is going on here, you know? And this man was pulling out while we were in the doctor's office. Thankfully we weren't in a car. He was pulling out, and he hit our driver's side of our car. It busted his tail light out and scratched his bumper, but our door to the driver's side is completely smashed in, and it damaged our mirror, and it almost busted our driver's side glass out. Yes. So we had to stay there, of course, and wait for the police, file a report, and all that stuff. And oh my goodness, you know? So yeah, and on top of that, some mommy issues is my baby boy has his first loose tooth. It's bittersweet. I'm so sad about it, but so happy because he's growing up, you know. And yes, so enough rambling. I've had a rough day yesterday. So I'm going to film this before I have to go pick up medications at Walgreens. Now I'm going to show you the clothes items first. She was so kind to send Connor an outfit. You left the sweetest little message in there as well, a little note. Thank you so very much for all the goodies and the stuff you sent for Connor. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. She sent Connor this really cute outfit. It has some gray cargo shorts and this beautiful minty, like, button up at the neck, and gray shoulders and neck area. Oh my. This is so adorable, and I absolutely love this color. I showed it to him and he loved it too. So my Connor is definitely into clothing and shoes. Like, he just loves new clothes and stuff. So thank you. Sorry for the lengthy intro. I wanted to give you some insight on my crazy day. And then when I come home, this wonderful package was out there on the porch waiting for me. Thank you. I cannot say thank you enough. I was so stoked with all the goodies in here. This really, really made my day, and I cannot wait to try all this new makeup, and we'll do a get ready with me. Alrighty, so first things first. So she sent me the Natasha Denona little mini nude palette. I'm not sure if that's how you say that. Probably butchered it. But she sent me this little palette, and I couldn't help myself. I opened some of this and swatched it last night. Beautiful. So beautiful. And once again, fan of that clear top packaging. Those shimmeries are so shimmery. Oh, it's beautiful. This is perfect for spring and every day. Thank you. And you'll probably hear me say thank you a bunch, but I am just elated at this box and the timing it arrived. Thank you. So next up we have an hourglass veil, and it says it's a translucent setting powder. I have never used anything from Hourglass, so I'm super excited about this. I'm sure it's greatness in a jar. I hear a lot of great things about Hourglass. I've definitely seen some beauty people here use this palette, and I am so excited because I do a lot of pretty colorful looks on camera, but in my everyday life I end up wearing a lot of browns, like to church and stuff, so I'm so excited to have that little palette. Next up we have the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. I am so excited for this as well, and I hear their mascaras are pretty great, so I am so excited to hop into that. Next is the Batter Up, get it all in frame here, Batter Up 5 eyeshadow sticks and set, and this is from The Balm. And I also love me some eyeshadow sticks, and I am just a fan of the shadow sticks, and I'm sure that these say they say they are long wearing, and I probably guarantee you that they are. Oh my goodness, they probably are. I am just so grateful and happy to have this package. Thank you so very much. I'm so excited about this green right here. So next up we have The Balm, and this is the Alternative Rock Volume 1 palette, and it says this is a face palette Volume 1. Cute packaging, by the way. It has rock songs wrote on the back. I thought that was the cutest. And you get a mirror there, and here is your shades, and there's so many. I am really I am digging the pinks this spring, and normally I am not so much into pinks, but I've been wearing pinks like crazy. Actually, since around Christmas time, I've been wearing pinks like crazy in my everyday life. I love them now, and I love how they look on me. I guess because you're pairing them and determined on what you're pairing them with, how you're applying them, and in the past they kind of got a stigma of, oh, you look sick if you wear pinks and reds, and it's all about how you pair them, how you wear them. So yes, keep that in mind. And this is absolutely stunning. I am so excited for this. Look at that beautiful duochrome highlight there as well. The camera's probably not picking it up, but these are phenomenal. Like, so beautiful. The shade, they are so creamy too. And she also put in here Volume 2, the Alternative Rock from The Balm Face Palette 2. Once again, cute little songs here. Mirror. Okay, and here's what this one looks like. And other beautiful shades for the face down there. And you get your, you get a matte black and a nice brown there for outer corner work. Digging it. You get your shimmery shades and 2 matte shades. So I love that these palettes come with 6 eyeshadows, and you get a bronzer, a blush, and a highlight. But you can also use these as eyeshadows if you want. You could use this one as a blush if you wanted. It doesn't matter. It's all about personal preference and how you want to use them. And yes, I'm sorry, but I cannot thank you enough. I just love everything you sent. And the last item in the box, and when I first opened this package, like, this is the product that jumped out at me after I got the close off of the top, and I was like, what? You went above and beyond, Christy. Thank you so much. Like, you shouldn't have sent all these products, but I am so excited. Now this one is the Luminizer Quad, and when I first say I want to say squad but it has sleeve on it. There's a mirror in there, and you get Mary Luminizer, Cindy Luminizer, you get Penny Luminizer, and you get Emma Luminizer. And these are absolutely beautiful. Like, they're stunning, they're amazing. Like, I swatched them and I just cannot wait. Cannot wait. Like I said, we hear tons about the Mary Luminizer. I have never owned this. I actually thought about purchasing it before because it's so mainstream here on YouTube. But I thank you so very much for giving me a chance to try this product, because just upon swatching it, it's absolutely beautiful. And like I said before, I cannot thank you enough for this great package. And like I said, you went above and beyond, and I feel like you shouldn't have. But thank you so very, very much. Yes, this is all going to be shown in new tutorials and get ready with me videos. And like I said, I cannot thank you enough. I know I sound like a broken record, but I am very grateful. Thank you so very much for this package. I hope you're having a wonderful day, Christy, and I am so happy that you're enjoying my videos and you comment on all of them, and thank you so very much. That means so much to me that you take time out of your day to comment on my videos, show me love and support. It does. It means so very much to me, and I can't thank you enough. So thank you, and stay tuned for more tutorials, more videos using all my new products, as well as an array of other videos as well. I thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, ring the bell if you haven't already. And thank you guys always for watching. Thank you, Christy.